bet you have a lot of people wanting this car, huh?
Man, dude, I've gotten so many calls like every day, dude, since I posted it.
Yeah.
At first I had it for 23, but I'm like, fuck it, man, I want a new GT500.
Yeah.
So I'd just rather get it out of my name, save some money, and put a down payment. You know, I wanted to put one under like a special order one. You know, like I want to be one of the first ones to get them, but I need money first.
Yeah.
That's just first and second gear. It grips good.
Shit.
It grips good because of the drag radials. The first gear never grips at all, man.